Hello everyone, welcome to logical reasoning practice session of 7th day. In this session we are covering topics spanning from blood relation, analogy, syllogism, number series, odd man out and others. In this session we have 12 questions to solve. The first question is related to blood relation. Let us read the question. In a certain code language, A plus B means A is the brother of B. So plus means what? Plus means brother. Remember, plus means brother. And A minus B means A is the father of B. So remember, minus means father. And A into B means A is the mother of B. So multiplication as per the question means what? Mother. And A divided B means A is the wife of B. As per question, the division indicates wife. So with these given indications, so the question is asking, based on the above indications, how is P related to related to T? So we have to know the relationship between P and T. The question is asking how P is related to T. And if you see the how to solve this question, the given options for sister, wife, mother and mother's mother. So if this is a given thing, you can solve the question from right hand. So let's solve the question. Minus means what? Father. So T's father is S. And divisions means what? Divisions means wife. So father's wife is mother. So R is the mother of T. And plus means what? Plus means brother. So mother's brothers mean uncle. So R is the mother and Q is the uncle. And if you know the relationship between P and Q, you will get the relationship between T and P as well. So Q is uncle and R is mother. And coming to P, the relationship between P and Q, the multiplication. What does multiplication indicates here? Multiplication means mother. So P is the mother of Q. So these two were siblings. Are his daughter and Q is son. So how does P related to T? R is the mother and mother's mother is P. So mother's mother. So basically grandmother. So therefore option 4 would be the correct option for this question. So let me solve this again. Let me simplify. In the short, we have to solve the question from right hand. So minus indicates what? Minus indicates father. So T's father S. And division indicates what? Division indicates wife. So father's wife is mother. So plus indicates what? Brother. So mother's brother is uncle. And uncle's multiplication means what? Mother. So uncle's mother is our grandmother. So mother's mother or grandmother would be the correct answer. So mother's mother, option 4 would be the correct option for question number 1. And moving forward, question number 2, select the number from among the given options that can replace the question mark in the following series. So here number series is given. So we have to find out what is the alternative number that will come after 455. So if you take the series 543, 518, 495, 474 and 455. So how to solve the question? How to solve this problem? So basically the pattern is there was decreasing in the numbers are decreasing in nature. So if you take the difference out, 543, 518. So the basically difference is 25. And from 518 to 495, the difference is 23, and 495 to 474, the difference is 21 minus 21, and from 474 to 455, the difference is minus 19. So what will come again after this? If you take the difference of this difference, here 2, here 2, here also 2, and then next one would be also 2. So therefore minus 17, minus 17. 455 minus 17, how much? 445, 445, 10, 435, 435, 3, 438, 438. So therefore option 4 would be the correct option for question number 2. So what actually we did, we take the difference, and we also take the difference of difference and solve the question. So option 4 would be correct option for question number 2. And moving forward, question number 3, 104 is related to 13. The question is saying 104 is related to 13 following a certain logic, and following the same logic, 136 is related to 17. 136 is related to 17. To which of the following is 232 is related? So we have to find out 232. Whatever the pattern or logic that were applicable for these two, series, for these two things, the same logic will be applicable here as well. So if you see 104, 13, it's a prime number, next 17, and next 19. So there is no mention of 19 here, so that method is not applicable in this question. And the other method is, if you divide this with 8, 104 divided by 8, 8 1 jar, 8 3 jar, so you got 13. And 136 divided with 8, you got 8 1 jar, and 56, 8 7 jar, 136, you got 17. And if you, in the same way, if you divide the 232 with 8 2 jar, 16, and 16, 4 3 7, 72, 8 9 jar, so 29 will come for this number. So 29 would be the correct answer. Therefore option 1 correct option for question number 3. 104 follows 13 and 136 follows 17. In the same way, 232 follows what? Follows 20, follows 29. Therefore option 1 correct option for question number 3. And the next question, which is question number 4, statements. This is a syllabus based question. The question, let's read the question. Some bags are purses and all purses are wallets and all wallets are sacks. The conclusions were all purses are sacks and some wallets are bags. The options given were conclusion 1 2 follows, only conclusion 2 follows, neither 1 or 2, and option 4 conclusion 1 follows only. And you can also mention option 5, either conclusion 1 or conclusion 2 follows. So for the syllabus based questions, we have all, some not, and no. For all to be get correct, one has to be, the has completely should be present in within B, and some, there must be some connection between A and B, and some, for some not, if it is A, if it is B, this should not go within this. If it is goes, that statement would be wrong. And for no, there must be no connection between A and B whatsoever. So there should be no connection for no. So based on this concept, we can solve this question. In these syllabus based questions, we have to draw the diagram carefully, because when you draw the diagram, then only you can able to answer questions pertaining to syllogism very easily. So some bags are purses. Bags, it is saying some bags are what? Purses. Some bags are purses and all purses are wallets. And it is saying all purses are wallet. All purses are valid. Okay, and next, all valids are sacks, and all valids are sacks. All valids are sacks. So we draw the diagram, and the conclusions for all purses are sacks means what? Purses should be within sacks completely. So all purses are sacks. So all purses within sacks. Therefore, conclusion 1 correct. And conclusion 2, some wallets are bags. Some means there must be some connection. So some wallets are bags. If you see wallets, this is the wallet, and if you see the bag, yes, this is bag. So there was a connection between wallets and bags. So conclusion 2 also follows. So what is the answer? And the correct answer is both conclusion 1 and conclusion 2 are follows. So therefore option 1 would be the correct option for question number 4. And moving forward, question number 5. In a certain code language, cows is coded as 7935 and oily is coded as 2568. What is the code for O in that language? So the options were 5829. So O, here O, we have to find out the code for O. If you see the two words, the cows and oily, the common letter in these two words is O. Common letter in these two words is O. So I'm writing O here. And if you see the number 7935 and 2568, the common number is what? 5 here and 5 here. So 5. So therefore the code for O is 5. And option A, hence option A 5 would be the correct option. Fifth question, 5 would be the correct answer. And moving forward, question number 6. 3 of the following number pairs are alike in some manner and hence form a group. Which number pair does not belong to that group? So basically the question is related to odd man out. Odd man out. We have to choose the odd one in this question. And the question is saying what? 15 square. So if I see 15, so let me cancel this. 15 square what? 15 square 225. 15 square plus 15 what? 240. So this it is following the logic. And in the same way, 21 square what? 441. It's 21 462, but here 420 was given. So therefore this method is not applicable for this question. So we have to apply another method. So let me cancel these things. If I say this statement 1, 21 tanger 210. 21 tanger 210. So if I double this means 21 20, I got 420. So 21 with the preceding number multiplying with preceding number, I got 420. So in the same way, if I multiply 22 with 21 2 4 2 6 4 462. So this law will be applicable, maybe applicable in this question. So we should also check other options as well. 18 into 17, 18 into 17, 7 8 56, 7 1 7, 126, 8 1 6 10 306. So this also true. These two follow the same logic. What is the logic? The number multiplied with preceding number. Number multiplying with preceding number. So these three were correct here. So we can directly choose option 4, which is not following the pattern that about 3 statements were following. Therefore option 4 would be the correct option. Let us check this again. 15 multiplying with the preceding number, which is 14. 20, 4, 60, 5, about how much? 1, 210. But here 240 is given. So this is not following the This is not following the pattern. Therefore we have to choose odd man out. This is the odd one in the odd pair. This is odd pair. So therefore option 4 correct option for question number 6. And moving forward, three of the four are alike in a certain way and thus form a group, and which is the one that does not belong to that group. The odd one is not based on the number of consonants, vowels, or their position in the letter cluster. So basically this question is also odd and out based question. So how to solve this question? For solving the question, we have to know the alphanumeric relation. So what is that? We have to know the number for each letter. So in the alphabetical order, A1, B2, C3, D4, E5, F6, G7, H8, I9, J10, K11, L11, M13, N14, O15, P16, Q7, R18, S19, T20, U21, V22, W23, X24, Y24, Z26. So this is alphanumeric relation, letter and number relation. So we have to know this one thing and other three things, and the next one is opposite numbers. So for A, Z, BY, CX, DW, EV, FU, GT, HS, IR, JQ, KP, LO, MN. So AZ, the opposite letter for A is Z, opposite letter for B is Y, opposite letter for M is N. How to find out this opposite number? So here 1 and here 27 if we find. So difference is 26. So here 2 and it is 25. So AZ, BY, CX, DW, EV. These are opposite pairs. So opposite pairs. And the next is corresponding numbers. Corresponding numbers A and N were corresponding numbers. So difference between them must be 13. A is 1 and N is 4. Difference is 13. And the fourth concept is reverse order. So if you want to find out the reverse order for any number, for suppose take L, let's say 12. Subtract 12 from 27. 27 is 12. 27 minus 12, how much? 8, 15. So the reverse order for the letter is 15. So if you want to find out the reverse order for any letter, subtract the letter number position with 27. So with the given concept, we should solve this question. And the question is what? DHK. D stands for what? D4, H8, K4. So here the difference is 4, 3. We got 4, 3. Here we got 4 and 3. And EIM. So E stands for 5, I9, M13. So here 4, here 4. Here 4 difference. 4 difference. Here 4, 3 difference. Here 2, 6, J. How much? So 4, here also difference is 4 and 4. And here I9, M13, Q, 7. Here also 4. So these three were following the same pattern and this is not following the pattern. So odd man out is DHK. Therefore, option 1 correct option for question number 7. And moving forward, question number 8. Select the pair in which the numbers are related to each other in the same way as are the numbers in given pairs. The question is 12 into 12, 25 and 11, 24, 15, 25, 14, 20, 23, 18, 35. So from 12 we got 25. From 12 how do we get 25? 12 to get 24 plus 1 which is 25 and 11 to get 20 plus 1 it is 20. In the same way 15 to get 30, 31. So this is not the answer. 11 to get 50 plus 1 51. So this is not the correct option. And 21 to get 42 plus 1 43. Yes, this is the correct option. For option C would be correct option. So let us also check the option for 18 to 36. It must be 37, but it is the 35 was given. So this is also not a correct option. So question number 8, option C, correct option. And moving forward, question number 9. In a certain code language, TIZZ is written as VKBB and QOPH is written as SQRG, and how will CKAU be written in that code language? So let us decode what the real code is. Question number 9. So TIZZ. So it is written as VKBB. So T20 we know, I9, Z26 and Z26. So 22, 11, 2 and 2. So you see the order +2, +2, +2 and +2. So the code is +2 for all the letters in the word. So if you apply the same logic here, so +2 here also the same logic will follow, +2. So if you see Q17, S19, so +2. So we don't need to solve this again because it will consume your time. So you can directly go for checking the whatever the find out option was given in the question. You can directly check that one. So CKAU, C from C3, let me write here, CKAU 3, 11, 1, 21. If you add 2, it will become 5, 13, 3 and 23. So 5 means E, 13 means M, 3 means C, 23 means W. So EMCW. Therefore option 1 correct option for question number 9. And moving forward, question number 10. Each vowel in the word similar, so big question, similar is changed to the following letter in the English alphabetical order. So they are saying vowels in the word similar follows what? Following letter. Remember, vowels are following +1 and in the English alphabetical, and each consonant in this similar word is changed to preceding letter. So remember, consonant means -1 in the given letter. Vowel means +1 and consonants means -1. So how many letters are there in the English alphabetical order? So after applying this thing, then the question is saying how many letters are there in the English alphabetical order between what? The letter which is second from left hand, okay, and the third from left hand, okay, in the group of letters. So let's solve the question. Similar, the vowels in the similar is I, A. So I becomes what? J, and I becomes J here, A becomes B here. So and the consonants were S, M, L and R. So S become R, M become J, K, L, and L become K, L. So K, R become P, Q. So with the given the formed, with this we can form the based on the question is similar. How to write the similar? In place of S we can write K. In the place of S we can write K, and in the place of I we can write J. In the place of M we can write L. In the place of I we can write J. In the place of L we can write K, and in the place of A we can write B. In the place of R we can write Q. So this is a formed word after applying these things. And let us read the question again. The question is saying how many letters are there in the English alphabetical order between the letter which is second from the left hand. So if this is the left hand and this is the right hand, second from the left hand, which is J, and from the left hand, between the letter which is second from the left hand and the third from left hand. So third from left hand, 1, 2, 3. So this between J and L, how many letters are present in the English alphabet? J, after then K, and then after we got L. So only one letter present between J and L. So therefore option C, that option for question number 10. And moving forward, question number 11. Which of the following letter clusters will replace the question mark in the given series to make it logically complete? So I, C, D, F, E, S, C, G, R, Z, I, Q. So whatever the number that we have to find out, the number that were given in the question mark. So first ICT, I 9 and F 6, C 3, Z 26. So if you find out the code here, -3 is following. So from 26, if you subtract 3, you will get 23. So 23 stands for what? 23 STUVW. So first letter must be starts with W. So these two can't be the answers. So let us find out the second one. Thereby we got our answer. So if you see the second letter, C C3, E5, G7, I9. So plus 2 is 7. So from 9, if you add 2, you will get 11. So 11 means what? 11 means JK, WKP. Therefore, option 2, correct option. So for question number 11, option 2, correct option. And the final question, which two numbers should be interchanged to make the given equation correct? So numbers, we have to interchange the numbers in the given equation, so that we should get 44. If you do 2 and 4, so here you will have 4, here you will have 2. So in this place you will have 9, and in this place you will have 48. If you do the things, 72, 9, 80, 81, 72 plus 9, 81 plus 72 minus 6 plus 9 plus 70 minus 48. So 72 plus 9, 81, 91, 98 plus 98, and 48 plus 6 minus 48 minus 6 minus 54. So how much you will get? You will get here 6 and here 6 and here 38, 6, 44. Therefore option 1 would be the correct option for question number 2. That's it for the day. These were 12 MCQs that I wanted to discuss for this session. Thanks for watching. Best of luck. Jai Hind.